Welcome back, Kaspa Cash traders, lovers, investors. Today we're going to share with you our thoughts on Kaspa price. We're going to give you update on the weekly, the 2-week, and we're going to talk about when we think it's going to be bullish again, or what are the risks that are in the Kaspa price. Okay, make sure to smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. First of all, okay, weekly chart. Look, weekly chart. We had a not a good candle here. Okay, we had a bearish engulfing actually. Kind of bearish engulfing here on the weekly. You had before that we had a bullish one, another bullish one, and another kind of bullish one, and now we had a bearish one here. Okay, so it's pretty much going sideways here on the big picture. Kaspa is stuck in a range between the 10 cent to 20 cent. Okay, we just got rejected from the 1.9. Okay, so from the top of the range, we can actually move it like that on the weekly closes. The top of the range is 1.9. Okay, we just got rejected from the 1.9. Now we're gonna see this week and obviously next week and in the next couple of weeks, we're gonna see what Kaspa is about to do. Is it going to break out, or is it going to break down, or just keep chopping in this range? But we're getting some. This is not a good sign. This is not a good sign. The rejection here. Okay, rejection here, not a good sign. If it and you can see the stochastic RSI is rolling over on the weekly chart. Okay, you had a cross here, bullish on the weekly chart. Now the stochastic RSI rolling over. Now if it will roll over and go all the way back down, it's probably gonna break below the bottom here, the 10 cent mark. If that happens, if it will curve in the middle, okay, you have a chance of a breakout. You have a chance of the breakout probably in January. Probably in January or maybe in the end of the month. It depends if we're gonna get a Bitcoin and a crypto Santa rally or not. Okay, now also if you look on the 2-week chart, we had a cross here, very good cross right here, but it now looks like it's curving down again. We're gonna keep you posted in 14 days once this candle close of this 2 weeks. But we got a rejection candle on the 2-week. You can see this is the 2-week rejection candle here. The red one we just closed. Not a good one. Okay, not a good one. Really, Kaspa is underperforming dramatically. And Bitcoin, much better being Bitcoin. I'll show you the Bitcoin pair now. And let's look on the daily chart here first. Now this is dangerous. Okay, if Kaspa will lose this level, okay, there is a risk of a little top here and a retest of the lows. Okay, now if it's gonna do a retest of the lows, there is a risk that was your top right here, and that was another lower high. So that's a risk. Now Kaspa need to prove, Kaspa bulls need to come and push it up. Okay, if you want a bull run on Kaspa, you want to see, first of all, you want to see price action back above the 200-day, the green line. You can see it broke above the 200 days, stays above it for multiple days, like 20 days, something like that. And now it's coming back down. Okay, that's not good. We want to see it stay above the 1.6. Okay, it's now at 1.6. Stay above. Price action must stay above the 1.6, and we must have a golden cross. If we're not gonna get a golden cross, it is not good. It is bearish because you have a death cross intact from October. Okay, if you don't gonna have a golden cross now to negate the death cross, that's bad, man. That's bad. And you can cheer and cheer, be a cheerleader of Kaspa and have neck tattoos on Kaspa, whatever you want to do. And like the moon girls and the lady boys and the Kaspa girls and the Kaspa blah blah army. But if this chart gonna go down, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Nothing matters, man. Chart are the daddy. Okay, so make sure you watch this level. Okay, if it will lose this level, that's not good. Okay, this level, mark it on your charts. This is not good. Okay, if it drop below 139, okay, it can come back down lower, and the bears will get stronger. The bears will get stronger. Now I'll show you the Kaspa BTC chart. Sure, make sure to smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Make sure if all your capital is in Kaspa, you're losing money, you're losing the bull market, you're losing the crypto. You're much better be in Bitcoin, for God's sake, and make more money. Look at Kaspa BTC, complete underperformance on Kaspa BTC. That's it's not making even sense But it is the reality, man. Bitcoin outperforming Kaspa since November last year. You see, this is the Kaspa BTC chart. Kaspa making lower highs and lower lows, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Really, I like Kaspa, I love Kaspa, but you know, if the chart is just making lower lows and lower highs, I'm not touching it. I need a breakout. I need Kaspa to break the F out of this downtrend. Because if it's not, I'd rather have Bitcoin. I'd rather have Bitcoin, man, or other coins. Kaspa is not performing, man. It's not performing. And yeah, that's all I have, man. Have a wonderful day. That's what we think. Make sure you watch this trend line. Once it breaks that trend line, it's probably gonna go hard. Okay, it's probably gonna break out hard. As long as it's below this trend line, really there is nothing to do in Kaspa. Really, it's just chopping everybody to pieces. Let's look on Kaspa USDT again on this chart. Okay, so a couple of things you want to take from this video. First of all, moving average. You want to have a golden cross. If the price will stay above the 1.6, the golden cross is projected around end of this month. You're going to have a golden cross. If Kaspa can hold above 1.6, if it loses the 50-day, if it loses the 1.4, the 1.39, stay below it, that's a red flag. And obviously, if it loses the 10 cents, in my opinion, Kaspa is smoked. Kaspa is smoked and it will go on a bear market. We'll keep you posted. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Click the bell so you don't miss any of these updates. Man, have a wonderful day. And really, if you're a subscriber to any one of these Moon Boys, Kaspa Moon Boys, you know, Kaspa Max's team or communities or like armies, man, cancel your subscription, man. They're just gonna losing you money. You already been losing so many opportunities on this bull run, man. XRP made a 6x in November while Kaspa was doing nothing. XRP, you know, dinosaur coins printing money in November while Kaspa was doing jack nothing, man. So really, if you are all in Kaspa, think about it for a second. Maybe it's a mistake. It is a mistake. In my opinion, it's a big mistake. Make sure to subscribe to a trading community. If you want to join our community, man, links below. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.